but what if? But suppose this happens. But what if I can't do that? But what if it won't come about? What if? So when you use the words that hold you back, when you're not using the words that are with the momentum that you have, when you're manifesting or when you're creating anything in your life, you have momentum, right? Momentum comes from the vibrations, the energy, and the emotions that we have. And when you throw in that wonderful little word called but, what is that? But momentum starts. I'm going to put this up here for everybody to see this because this makes so much sense. And because momentum is always moving, it's always going. Momentum, hold on, starts. Momentum is always starting. What are we doing to stop it or to keep it going? And that's the best question I have for you right now is what are you doing to keep momentum going for you? Because once momentum gets going, if you allow it to keep going and to keep fueling it and keep it going forward and to keep it in flow, what happens is you're going to get everything you're desiring and it's going to come because you are in the flow of momentum. Momentum is all the feeling of non-resistance. When you are in a momentum flow, there is no resistance there. You don't have any thoughts to stop you. You don't have any barriers to stop you. The only thing that will stop you is yourself. And that nasty little word called but. I don't mean the thing you sit on. I mean the word but. What if this happens? But I can't get all the way forward. I can't keep going. But I don't know if I'm good enough. But maybe this won't work for me. But I don't know if I can do this. But what if I did it this way? But see how that word just stops you in your tracks every single time. That word stops your desires from manifesting. It stops the momentum from going. It stops everything. That one powerful little 3-letter word, but. I suggest you take that out of your vocabulary at this point in your manifestations because you don't want to get going on that platform that says, I really want to, but I don't have the money. I really, really want to, but I don't know if I can do this. I really, really want to, but think about it. So, speak into having what you want. Speak into it with thoughts of prosperity, with thoughts of, I've already got this. This is mine. I already did this. I've already got my house painted. I've already got my roof replaced. I've already got new appliances. I've already got a new car. I've already got a beautiful home. Those are words and vibrations that will attract to you exactly what it is you're desiring. When you can see it already happening, but does not belong in momentum, but does not belong in that vibration. So use your words, and I mean use them to the heart of who you are. Use your words to progress and to flourish and to just be as happy as you can be with whatever system, strategy, or course you're building. Don't build a new course to help more people if you say, I'm going to build this, but I don't know if it's going to work. I'm going to try this, but I don't know if people will like it. Take that out of the equation. Put out there, I am building this new course to help so many people. I am putting out this PDF, which is chock full of value. And you know what? I am going to give it away for free. It's valuable. It's worth like $100, but I'm going to give it away for free because I know I'm helping so many more people. What's happening there is you have momentum going. You have momentum attached to the PDF you're giving out. to the course you've built. You have momentum attached to whatever it is you're working on. So use that momentum every day. And don't let that 3-letter word, but, stop you in your tracks. That is a nasty little word that just stops your momentum. It just gets in the way. We don't like that. I know. I talk with my hands. I can't help it. When you look at it that way, you're manifesting every day. From your heart, from everything you're doing, you're manifesting. So look at what you're doing. I mean it. Look at what you're doing for you specifically. What are you doing that is changing your life? What are you doing that is making things better for you, your family, people around you, whatever you're working on? Momentum starts. And the one little word, but, can stop it in its tracks. Momentum comes from, this is where it comes from, guys, listen up. It comes from thoughts, feelings, emotions. It comes from those areas of our lives. So as long as you don't put a but in the middle of that, and you let good thoughts, positive emotions, happy feelings, gratitude is a root for everything you want to create. Always have gratitude, and that root ball you have growing will get bigger and bigger, and that's what you want. You want that. You want your business to grow. You want your lifestyle to be what you want it to be. You want to live that life of freedom and carefree and everything you love about it. You want that. So let it progress and let it happen for you. Take that little 3-letter word but out of your vocabulary and quit using it. Quit feeling it. Quit feeling it. Please quit feeling it. Use your systems. Use your strategies. And look at the skills you've been growing. Look at the skills in marketing you have acquired as we've been going over this stuff for the last few months. Look at the skills you've acquired in your marketing and how you're progressing. And everyone out there who is taking advantage of the opportunities I put in my header, you guys are doing fabulous. I see you out there, and I know you're on my team, and I'm giving you the best value I can give you every single day. So take a look at what you're doing and take that 3-letter word but out of your momentum. Once you get momentum going, don't stop it. Let it keep flowing. It will keep going. Okay? You got this. I know you do.